So, how to fix the statue problem on your WhatsApp? Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix statue problem on Android or even your iOS iPhone. So all what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. Go to apps. Right here we'll find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find WhatsApp and click on it. When you click on it, you will find many options here because this is the app information page. Just go to the permissions, and now here make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the storage permission. Go back, click on force stop, and then go to the notifications management, and here make sure to go to the more settings option, and now make sure that here that the use high priority notifications options is enabled. Don't forget to like, subscribe if the problem was fixed.